Hi there, folks. This is Levi Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your Class B and B Plus RV specialists. Please check out our website, www.truckandrv.com. That's truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. We do not put any pricing on YouTube, so if you have price inquiries, you can jump over to our website where all of our prices are listed, or you can feel free to give us a call. We are a full-service dealer. We do offer warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions on those, please call my brother Luke in our office at 419-899-2020. For sale today, we have a 2003 Pleasureway Lexor-MP. All right, folks, I'm going to show you the inside of this Pleasureway. I am currently sitting between the front two seats, the driver and the passenger seat. This unit does have 4 captain's chairs, which is pretty rare. There's some that have 3. A lot of them have a cabinet here where this extra seat is behind the driver's seat. So a really nice feature that you can sit 4 people up front here, forward facing. Microwave right above that seat. Got the fantastic fan. All your controls, control center, generator, remote start switch, hot water switch, and the thermostat for the furnace. This unit would be a 4-person unit. You can sleep 2 on the bed in the rear, and then each one of these front seats will swivel and face the rear seat, and then you can then span the distance between the 2 seats when the front one is swiveled, and make like a small bed there for a short adult or a child. This one is exceptionally clean. Probably one of the nicer Pleasureways that we've had in this age range through here. Very low miles, only 41,000. Got your kitchen sink, 2-burner cooktop, and then the fridge, gas, electric fridge down bottom. Got a rooftop air conditioner. The bed does have the extra panel in the rear. This farthest panel back here. Some do not always have that. It just makes the bed a little bigger. This is a power bed. I'll show you that here quick. Just hold the switch and she runs right up. It also power slides forward and backward. You have to have it as far forward as possible to put the bed down, but when you're in the sofa configuration, you can leave it forward so you've got slightly more storage capacity behind it, or you can move it backwards so that way you have slightly more leg room to the front. Spin around here. We've got 2 TVs in this unit, one in the rear, and then we've got one up front as well. These 2 switches here are the power switches for the power bed back here. This does have a wet bath. It's behind these 2 doors here. You would pull, sorry, I'm going back and forth here, but you would pull the shower curtain out around that track, and then you essentially stand in the center aisle here and shower. There's a shower pan that I'll show you inside the shower that you sit right here, and then you unscrew the cap there, and the drain drains down into the tank down through that. I've got some storage here on the left hand side, the rear of the vehicle. One of the tables is in there. Little storage shelf up top. Then you got your shower head, a small medicine cabinet up top, and your toilet. This here is your shower pan. You slide that out, line the hole up with the drain in the floor, and that is how you shower in this unit. The shower curtain is no longer there, so you have to purchase a new shower curtain. All the seats are in really, really good shape. They're still plush, no tears, no rips, no stains. Got some of the books in that there. Another table back there. Carpet is really clean. One stain between the front two seats. Both front seats are still plush and really good shape as well. We've got the TV in the front. Like I said, really, really nice clean unit. If you're looking for a nice one with this rear setup, better jump on this one quick. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at Kuhn Truck and RV, 419-899-2020. Thank you for watching this video. I put these together not only for our potential customers, but as well as everybody else out there on YouTube to get a feel of what it's like to be inside of this RV. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. And please subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a good day.